Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. You all are fine? Good. Now, let's start with question number 7 from the exercise 15A. And the question is, read the bar graph shown on the next page. Bar graph is given on the next page. Check from your book, everyone. Information is students wearing shoes of different sizes in class 6th to 10th in a school. Size number, serial number S dot N means size number. A part is what is the information given by the bar graph. Which information is given by the bar graph? Yes, beta, last girl. In classes 6th to 10th. Very good. Well done. Yes. Anyone? Any other? Pavni, unmute yourself. Pavni, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Pavni, tell me which information is given by the bar graph given in the book. Yes.
Question number 7.
Yes, 7th question A part. Tell me the information given by this graph.
Ma'am, the information given is the size number of shoes used by different students in a school.
Very good. So you can write wording according to your wish. There will be no hard and fast rule. Well done. Very good. Okay. Last girl, what's your name, beta? Last girl, what's your name? Muskan. Well done, Muskan and Pavni. So you will write information given by the bar graph is different shoe sizes used by students. So you will write the information given by the bar graph is different shoe sizes, different shoes sizes used by students. Fine. In classes 6 to 10th. And each and everything is given in your book. Each and everything is given in your book. Fine. Now come to the B part. What is the B part? What are the different sizes of shoes worn by the students? Different shoe sizes. Yes, beta, what's your name? What's your name? Tanishka? Kanishka. Tell me, Kanishka, different shoe sizes worn by the students. Very good, very good. Well done, well done. So you will write like this, the different shoes, sizes are, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, like this. So you can write like this. So the different shoe sizes are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now come to the C part. C part is What is the number of students wearing shoes of size number 6? Yes. Shoes of size number 6. Yes, very good. Size number 6. The bar of size number 6 is in front of 400. Very good. Sit down. So you will write 400 students used size number 6. Now come to the D part. D part is which size of shoes is worn by the minimum number of students? Which size is used by minimum number of students? It means you will check the bar, which bar you will check? Longer or shorter? Very good, shorter. So which size? Yes, last boy. Size number 5. Yes, size number 5 is worn by a minimum number of students. Yes. Or you can write like this. Size number 5 is worn by minimum number of students. Okay, so write like this. Now come to the E part. Give the total strength of the students. Now tell me, how can you find the total strength of the students? Yes, Deepak, tell me. How it's come? Yes, add all. So total strength, you will write like this. Total strength is equal to, now first bar is in front of 250. Check, the first bar is in front of 250 plus. The second bar is in front of 150. Third bar in front of 400. Fourth bar in front of 500. Sixth bar, yes, tell me. Sixth bar in term of which? In front of which number? Very good, 350. And the last bar is in front of 300. After addition, what is the result? Yes, students, write down in the chat box. After addition, what is the result? And very much compulsory to show this addition in fear. Yes, beta, what is the result? बेटा 1000 में तो नहीं आएगा ये, 1000 में आंसर नहीं आएगा. Add again. Yes, 1950 students. Yes, 1950. So this is the total strength. Fine. So this is the total strength, 1950. And very much compulsory, I am repeating one more time, very much compulsory to show this addition in fear. You will not write this result only. If you will write this result only, then half marks is given to you. Okay. So for full marks, if you want full marks in this question, write each and every point completely. Fine. So note down, after writing, tell me, then I will explain how to draw bar graph on graph paper. Okay, students, note down this. After writing, write down in the chat box. Then we will start next question. Fine. Done? Okay. Now come to the next. Now stop writing, everyone. Everyone stop writing. Okay, you will not write now. First of all, I will explain. After that, I will give you time for writing. So no one will write now. Put your whole concentration on understanding the concept. On graph paper, whenever the question is to draw bar graph, first step is to draw axes. These are termed as axes. This. This is horizontal axis. This is known as horizontal axis. You will not say this is line, ray, or line segment. In term of graph, okay, you will say what is the name of this? This is horizontal axis. And what is the name of this horizontal axis? The name of this horizontal axis is x-axis. And very much compulsory to put this arrow in the end. I am repeating one more time. This horizontal part is known as, what is the name? You will write capital X dash axis. Very much compulsory to put this arrow here. Fine. Now, the next this is known as vertical axis. From this, we will draw one more axis, and the name of this is vertical. This is vertical, and the name is y-axis. Okay. So on your graph sheet, first of all, you will draw these two axes. Wait, अभी नहीं करना, अभी मैं explain कर रही हूँ. Wait, fine. So this is termed as x-axis, and this is termed as y-axis. This thing is clear to each and everyone. Now, this point where two axes will meet, this is the meeting point of horizontal as well as vertical axis. यहाँ पे meet हो रहे हैं ना दोनों. So this meeting point is known as origin. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Origin. Origin means starting of something. Origin का क्या मीनिंग होता है? Starting of something. This origin is the starting point for x-axis. This origin is the starting point for y-axis. तो जब भी आपसे कोई पूछेगा what is the name of this meeting point, you will not say 0 or O. You will say this is origin. The value of this origin is equal to 0. This is not 0, but the value of this O is equal to 0. तो आपने किसी को भी बेटा ये नहीं बोलना this is 0. No, this is not 0. This is origin. The value of this origin is equal to 0. This horizontal axis is known as x-axis. This vertical axis is known as y-axis. Very much compulsory to put these arrows and write this thing. Otherwise, in 4 marks question, 2 marks will be cut. If you will not mention x-axis, y-axis, arrow number 1, arrow number 2, this capital O, no need to write origin, no need to write this thing. Okay, you will only write this O. आपने सिर्फ O लिखना है, वो तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ भी इसको origin बोलते हैं. ओके अगर आप ये नहीं लिखोगे तो अगर आपका क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स का है तो आपके 2 मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे, आपको सिर्फ 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, नाउ स्टार्ट. यस स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट ड्राइंग both the axes on graph paper. Start. Yes, definitely with pencil, not with pen. Now, students, start drawing both the axes. Okay, like this. So, capital X, capital Y, this is O. And let's start with question number 8. Question is, construct a bar graph representing the information regarding class 10th students attending chemistry practicals for a particular week. Now, in one column, days are given. Check your book. Now, students, check your book. In column number 1, days are given. And in column number 2, number of students are given. Okay? And बेटा छोटा नहीं बहुत बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा. हमने ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन रिप्रेजेंट करनी है. गिव मी द ग्राफ पेपर. ये थोड़ा सा कर दो. ओके. नाउ यहां से बनाना स्टार्ट करो. यहां से नीचे से बड़ा सारा. 2 पेंसिल मुझे. यस यस यस. इतना छोटा थोड़ी ना. गिव मी द स्केल ऑल्सो. ड्रॉ लाइक दिस. इतने छोटे से इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे बनाओगे? Now, student, look like this. Like this, you will draw. Look. Fine. So, this is capital Y. This is capital X. And this is O. Look here. All of you, look here. Capital X, capital Y, and O. Okay. After that, here you will write days. Here you will write days. And here you will write number of students. Number of students. Very much compulsory. Ranesh, check your internet connection, beta. Screen is not blur. Now, here you will write number of students. And here you will write days. Like this. Look here. Here you will write days. And here you will write number of students. Very much compulsory to write this thing. Okay? Clear? This thing is clear? Now, next is, here you will write the numbers in such a way that gap between them same. उनका गैप क्या होना चाहिए? सेम. नाउ check your question. Monday 25 students, Tuesday 15 students, Wednesday 10 students, Thursday 10 students, Friday 30 students, and Saturday 15 students. Now tell me, students, all the numbers are multiple of what? Yes. Rest of the students, write down in the chat box. According to you, all the numbers are multiple of what? All the numbers are multiple of what? Yes, Shivain, unmute yourself. Shivain, you are unmute. Tell me. Yes. Yes. Shantanu Sharma, unmute yourself. Shantanu, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. Tell me what happened.
Ma'am, 5.
All the numbers are multiple of 5 now. So
5.
yes, very good. So after origin, you will observe here small lines, and after 9 lines, 10th line is dark ना. अपना ग्राफ पेपर चेक करो. 9 लाइंस आपको लाइट कलर में दिखेंगी, 10th लाइन आपको डार्क दिख रही है ना, उस पे आपने जाके मार्क करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 और ये 10th लाइन डार्क होगी. सो दिस इज 5. अगेन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th line, here you will write 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ये, then write 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th 20. So write like this. Very good, Shantanu. Very much compulsory to write like this. This gap must equal. अगर आपका ये फर्स्ट गैप 5 का है ना, मैंने क्या बोला था, what is the value of this origin? Yes, मैंने क्या बोला था, स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड. मैंने क्या बोला था, ये जो ओरिजिन है इसकी क्या वैल्यू है, 0. वेरी गुड. द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस ओरिजिन इज 0. आपने 0 के बाद यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर लिखा है, 5. इट मीन्स द गैप ऑफ 5. तो आगे भी आपने 5 का ही गैप रखना है. दिस गैप मस्ट इक्वल. अगर आपका ये गैप चेंज हो गया ना, तो यू विल गेट 0 मार्क्स इन एग्जाम. वेरी मच कंपल्सरी टू कीप दिस गैप इक्वल. ये देखो 0 के बाद 5 है, इट मींस द गैप ऑफ 5. तो आपका जो नेक्स्ट गैप है वो भी कितने का होना चाहिए, 5 का. ये नहीं है यहाँ पे 5 लिख के यहाँ पे 15 लिख दोगे, नो. अगर आपने यहाँ पे 5 लिखा है, इट मींस यू विल फॉलो द टेबल ऑफ 5. अगर आप यहाँ पे 4 लिखते, इट मींस यू विल फॉलो द टेबल ऑफ 4. सो गैप मस्ट इक्वल. Fine. Now, similarly here again you will observe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th line dark. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th line dark. Check your graph paper. Yes, Pavni.
मैम हम 10 से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं.
बेटा आप क्यों 10 से स्टार्ट करो, कर सकते हो. क्यों करोगे, अगर आपको क्लियरली 5 का टेबल दिख रहा है तो. अगर आपको क्लियरली 5 का टेबल दिख, आप कर सकते हो 10 से. बट अगर आपको ये क्लियरली दिख रहा है भी ये 5 का टेबल है पूरा, तो प्रेफर करो 5 का टेबल ही कंटिन्यू करो. उससे आपको काउंटिंग नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, काउंटिंग आपकी कम होगी. ओके फाइन.
ओके मैम.
यस. नाउ सिमिलरली आफ्टर 20 1 2 3 यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका 25. फाइन, लाइक दिस. नाउ हाँ आगे 30 भी आएगा. अपर में मैंने 25 तक बनाया, आपने पूरा 30 तक बनाना है. ओके. नाउ ऑन मंडे वी हैव 25 स्टूडेंट्स. सो यू विल नॉट स्टार्ट विद दिस. ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड, in bar graph always leave one box. Always leave one box. Okay, so draw 25 here. Draw 25 here like this, like this. And here in between you will write Monday. Always leave one box. Always. This is the feature of bar graph. ये बार ग्राफ का फीचर है. आपने बिल्कुल ज्वाइन करके स्टार्ट नहीं करना. वन बॉक्स वेकेंट, देन फिल द नेक्स्ट बॉक्स. ओके. नाउ स्टार्ट ड्राइंग. हाँ ये एक डिब्बा छोड़ दो, यहां से करना, ड्रॉ स्टार्ट करो. मैं बोल तो रही हूँ, वो देखो मैंने एक डिब्बा ये छोड़ दिया, यहां से लाइन लगाओ. लगाओ 25 के सामने लाइन. हाँ, स्केल से लगा बेटा. Now come to the next. On Tuesday, again one box vacant, again one box vacant, and start with the next. Yes, Kratigya. So this is 15.
मैम मैंने आपसे पूछना था कि मैम जो नीचे आपने डेज लिखा है तो मैम हम नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं डेज?
हाँ जी, लिख सकते हो. ये मंडे वाला, ये मंडे.
यस मैम, जैसे
हाँ,
मंडे ट्यूसडे
हाँ, इसको लिख दो. यस यस, यहाँ लिख दो. यू कैन राइट हियर ऑल्सो.
ओके मैम.
Yes, you can write it down also. Okay, so next is Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Okay, so like this, leave one box. Okay, draw bar in the second box, then leave third box, draw bar in the fourth box. After that, again leave one box, then next bar in the next box. So draw like this. Continue all the students. Yes, 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 very good. ऐसे ही करना है. Well done. Okay, अब फिर एक बॉक्स यहाँ पे वेकेंट छोड़ो, अगला यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो. आपने कर लिया बेटा? हाँ, show me. Well done, very good. Yes, students check like this. One box vacant, one filled. One box vacant, one filled. Again, one box vacant, one filled. So this is the very important feature of bar graph. In bar graph, you will not draw bar by joining them. Okay? Give gap of one box. Then in the second box, draw bar. Then third box vacant, bar in the fourth box. Like this. Very good. What's your name? Very good, Dharya. Well done. Complete this. Yes, students, complete this. Complete. I am going to take your attendance. After completion, write down in the chat box. Then we will start next. Yes. Yes, Mehak, show me. Wait, Bhavya, wait. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself. Bhavya, unmute yourself.
मैम हम ऐसे बना सकते हैं?
कैसे बेटा, दिखाओ मुझे. Show me.
मैम यस.
आप, हाँ हाँ, थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो बेटा. ग्राफ पेपर मुझे आपका कंप्लीट नहीं दिख रहा. शो मी वन मोर टाइम. शो मी. यस 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 यस. आगे करो थोड़ा सा. भव्या.
मैम यस.
हाँ, यस. 0 5 10. यस, करेक्ट. राइट डाउन दिस थिंग डेज. आपने ये नहीं लिखा हुआ डेज. राइट डाउन
Okay,
डेज. यहाँ पे डेज लिखो. राइट डाउन डेज. ओके. नतांश, शो मी. नतांश, शो मी. यस. Natansh, I am waiting. Show me. Now, write down capital X here. Rest. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, come to the next. Come to the question number 9th. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. 9th क्वेश्चन ऑन ग्राफ पेपर. बार ग्राफ. बेटे इसको बार ग्राफ नहीं बोलते, इसको ग्राफ पेपर बोलते हैं. आप ये पेपर को भी बार ग्राफ बोलते हो. द नेम ऑफ दिस पेपर इज नॉट बार ग्राफ. द नेम ऑफ दिस पेपर इज ग्राफ पेपर. द नेम ऑफ मेथड इज बार ग्राफ मेथड. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज 9th क्वेश्चन. The approximate population of India as found by census surveys in different decades is as follows. Now, in one column, year is given to you, and in next column, population in crores given to you. Now, students, tell me what is the first step? Now, tell me what is the first step? Huh? Very good. The first step is to draw axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. Fine. Well done. So, first step is to draw both the axes. So, start. So, the name of this is very much compulsory to put arrow here. Okay. If you will not put arrow here, then your half marks will be cut in exam. Fine. So very much compulsory to put this arrow. After this, write capital X here. Again, in the next step, we will draw vertical axis. Now, yes, yes, Peter Stena, what's your name? Tell me what is the name of this vertical axis? Well done. The name of this vertical axis is y-axis. So, we will write here capital Y. This information is complete or something is missing? Yes, students, write down in the chat box. Is this okay or something is missing? Yes. Tell me. Yes. Which information is missing? Yes. Which information is missing here? Origin. So you will write here capital O. Okay. Capital O. And what is the name of this capital O? The name of this capital O is not zero. Yes. What is the name of this O? Origin. And what is the value of this origin? 0. The name is origin, but the value is 0. Okay, fine. Now, after that, here, you will write here. Fine. And along y-axis, you will write population in crores. Okay, very much compulsory to name both the axes. The name of x-axis is, here you will write year, and here you will write population in crores. Fine. So, population in crores. Now, students, given numbers are 28, 32, 35, 44, 54, 71. All these numbers are multiples? Tell me. No. These numbers are not multiples. So start with 10. Start with 10. 10 means you will follow the table of 10. Okay. So start after origin 10. Now tell me. Yes, well done. This is very important. After origin 10 means next you will write the table of 10. बेटा 10 के बाद यहाँ पे आपने 30 नहीं लिख देना, आपका सारा गलत हो जाएगा. Here 5 means next you will write the table of 5. Here 10 means next you will write the table of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Because last number is up to 71. So you will write up to 80. Okay. 71 is also available now. So you will write up to 80. Now, tell me How will you represent 28? How will you represent 28? Tell me. 28 is not here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, anyone? Yes. किसके बाद 1 1 काउंट करेंगे? Very good. Yes. 28 means after 20, first of all, reach 20. Then after 20, count 8 small lines. Okay, students? 28 means after 20, count 8 lines. Fine? So, this is 20 ना. 20 के बाद जो आपने स्मॉल लाइंस काउंट करनी है, जो 8th लाइन होगी वो कौन सी होगी? 28 की. फाइन. सो दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. नाउ टेल मी. यस, इसको व्हाट्स योर नेम बेटा? भावुक. भावुक, टेल मी, इज दिस करेक्ट? Is this correct? No? Why? Rest of the students write down in the chat box. This representation is correct? No? Yes? This representation is correct? Yes, students, tell me. This representation is correct? मैंने क्या बोला था? 1 box छोड़ना है. Leave 1 box, then draw bar in the next box. This is a feature of bar graph. You will not draw like this. Yes, Mehak. For 28, we will count 8 lines after 20. Very good. So this is incorrect. 1 box vacant. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th. Then start from here. 28. 28. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then next like this. So in between you will write 1931 like this. 1931. Fine. So draw like this. 1931. तो आपने बेटा कभी भी टच करके स्टार्ट नहीं करना. ऑलवेज गिव द गैप ऑफ 1 बॉक्स. हमेशा ये फीचर है बार ग्राफ का. बार ग्राफ में हमेशा एक बॉक्स खाली होता है, नेक्स्ट बॉक्स फिल्ड होता है, फिर एक वेकेंट होता है, फिर एक फिल्ड होता है. ओके. नाउ हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट 32? टेल मी, हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट 32? Kinjal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, first of all, we will make a line to 30, then we will count 2 small lines.
Now,
This is
Kinjal,
30.
yes, Kinjal, tell me, this is correct? Is this correct?
No, ma'am.
This is correct? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because in bar graph, it is the feature that we have to leave 1 line after each box.
1 box, not 1 line, 1 complete box. Give the gap of 1 complete box, not 1 line. Very good, Kinjal. Yes, well done. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect.